Ralph here. I'm back with another Adman 3000 video. As you can see, I've gone through, took this completely to pieces, got the case off, back down to the bare motherboard. I found I had a little bit of a problem. I've stuck a hole in the speaker. I'm not sure if this works. Need to get this tested. But what I'm going to do to start with, everything's in the way. Right. Same as the Merlin, this. Everything feels so fragile. I've got a little bit of, where the batteries obviously leaked in the past. Switches seem fine. I'll get them tested. That's a little bit loose. It's a main power switch. All I can see is on there. It's on there. But if it's managed to get onto the circuit board, then anything could have happened. It does look a little bit like something's run on this. If that's the case, then I think I'm screwed. That would also mean, yeah, it would also explain why I'm getting 9 volts on everywhere on this. So let's get this thing cleaned and see what we can go from there. A little bit of firm brush. Let's get this thing. Nothing coming off, right. Let's see. The red wire's just in the way. I took the power cables off. So I completely dismantled this. It does actually smell a bit battery-ish. That on. At this stage, what is the worst that could happen? Get it in there. Kitchen roll. Ooh, yes. I'm sure you can see that actually. Yeah. I had this with the Merlin. There's a lot of discoloration. Whether or not it's just standard build up over the years or what, I don't know. A bit more on the booze. Hands are really sticky. And there's no need on this case, at least, for retrobrighting with it being black plastic, but I'm going to point something out. For some reason, it's the original film on the top of this still there, but it looks like crap's got underneath it, so that's going to have to come off. It starts, yeah, it starts degrading that if it works, but there's no point at all touching anything else. I'm trying to figure out if this works or not. So just keep cleaning. Hands are so sticky. Try that one yet. I know, I was thinking when I first started this, I've been needing little delicate brushes. I'm thinking about sticking it in the sink. I'm stuck to it. better. It's drying funnily. I'll do a quick. There's a smell to this. I'm just doing the power good or not, but it's a very strange smell. Very, very strange smell. Anyway, I'm going to pause here and I'll jump forward a little bit. You're going to watch me do this for a bit longer. Right, that's not bad cleaned. I'm going to quick look at this and I think I might have got a problem. Let's turn. What I'm going to do, I can get this thing across. I have a magnifying glass. I don't know if there's a work through the camera or not. Right, yeah, nearly. Right. There's a resistor, diode, something there, this one. Yeah. It's actually touched on that contact there. Paired with that one, that's diode goes to this one, which would go to that. Diode resistor. I don't know, I am an amateur. Trust me, I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't think that'll be the problem, but let's move it. There's even a hole there anyway where I don't think there's any solder on. There's a lot of places. This is one of the chips here. Bloody see that, can you? Oh no, wait a minute. Chips run across here. There's nothing connected on this end last pin. A bit of water coming through, that's the alcohol. That's propanol. I think a good inspection of what's on here, maybe I'll find some dry solder. I mean, a little bit there, I don't think that's going to cross there, but I think just a basic touch up with the magnifying glass will not go too bad, I think, on this. Let's see where I can find, but yeah. I mean, after that, it's just, I don't think, going off kilter a little bit. Let's see, it's not as sticky that anymore now, my hands feel so sticky. Eesh. Let me get soldering iron and see about redoing a couple of bits, because I think there's even one contact here as well. Okay. Another cut again. And I'll get the solder iron warmed up. Right, I'll give this one a good looking over. Solder work's actually not that bad on it, to be honest. Really quite, it's aged really well. Not much on. Doesn't seem to be any problems at all with the modulator side. I'll go into that one in a second, but the main board, apart from just general parts which are just a little bit, I'd say wires are too long on some bits. There didn't seem to be any shorting, but these two, camera right, these two diode resistors, wherever they are, we move those away from where they were. A couple little bits resoldered. A bit over here. Make it look a little bit better. There's a hell of a lot of parts which aren't on right. Need a rethink. Right, cleaning and finished. Soldering done. I don't know if that's doing anything or not, but what I do with this is by testing it and plugging it in. So, get that shut out of the way. I'm going to do a quick tidy up. stop setting fire to things with my soldering iron. Wasn't in the holder properly, but yeah. Right, I'll tidy up a bit, see if I can get this thing plugged in and wired up to the telly over there. See if I can get anything. I told yesterday, I think Christy, yeah, sorry. Should be a noise coming from the speaker when I turn this thing on, but yeah, this obviously isn't. So let's see what I can do. So I'm going to pause for a second and come back. I've just had a breakthrough. Right, I was checking these capacitors, see if they were fine. They look perfectly alright to me. There's no dome on the top until I've noticed there's a resistor here that's very burned out. You can see that. Oh, there it is. Yes. So, ignore the bottom of the board. Everything just seemed to be working. It's not the bottom, it's the top. Liquid through this is very sticky. That needs a clean. If I can't get away with this, without having any cables ripped off, I'll be impressed. Yeah, it's very sticky. Can't be everything that come through from the back side when I've cleaned it, so I'm going to get this cleaned and I will have to replace the resistor. Don't know if I've got another resistor. Like I said before, I am not a professional. Let's see if we can magnifying glass over for you. Yeah. I don't know if it's to that capacitor out or not. It don't look good. At least something's manifested itself anyway. That's a good thing for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean up all this lot. Everything's covered in goo now. Clean this. Get that replaced. Definitely get it replaced. Everything else seems quite good. Might be contact with the goo. One part I'm quite happy that that's done that. I'll get both these capacitors changed. Oh, there's 3 of them there. Everything else seems quite good. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, it sounds strange, but I'm quite glad that's done that, so at least I know what I'm aiming for now. Let's start chasing this problem down. Right. Shall I stop or shall I carry on? Yeah, let's stop for a minute. If you'd like to like and subscribe, see if I can get this thing fixed. I mean, I've actually got a little bit of hope that I can get it done now with finding this. So please like, subscribe, share and comment. Got a Patreon page, donations if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. Keep watching, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.